Welcome! In front of me I have HAYLOU Solar Lite, and I'm gonna show you how to pair this watch with the iPhone. First we need to turn on our watch, and you can turn it on by pressing and holding the side button. Once you see the HAYLOU logo on the screen, you can release the button and wait until the watch turns on. And after it turns on, you will see the list of languages on the screen. You can scroll through this list, find the language you would like to use, tap on the check mark to confirm, and now we need to download and install the HAYLOU Fun application on the iPhone we want to pair our watch with. So go to your iPhone, make sure you have the internet connection and Bluetooth enabled. Once you do, open the App Store on your iPhone. In the App Store, tap on the search icon, tap on the search bar and type in HAYLOU. Oh, my bad. HAYLOU Fun and tap on search. And on the list of apps you should see this application, HAYLOU Fun. Tap on it to select it, then tap on the get button to download and install it. And once the app is done installing, you can tap on the open button to open it. In the app, you may see the pop-up about the Bluetooth devices. If you see it, tap on allow, then tap on agree and continue, and finally tap on sign up. And here we need to log in into a HAYLOU account. If you don't have an account, you can always tap on sign up to make a new one, or use the third-party account like Facebook or Apple. I already have an account, so I'm gonna tap right here, select the region, and then I'm gonna enter the email address and password. And once you're done entering the email and password, you can tap on login. After you log in, you will see the home page. On this page, find the mine icon and tap on it, then tap on add device, and here scroll through the list and find the HAYLOU Solar Lite. Once you find it, tap on it. The app should start looking for your device and should find it, but if it doesn't detect it, let's go back and select the Solar Lite instead. We have HAYLOU Solar Lite and Solar Lite. Let's select the Solar Lite. Oh, this time it detected it. Okay, so once it detects our watch, tap on it. On the watch, tap on the check mark. Here tap on continue. No, first tap on pair, then tap on continue or not. We have another pop-up about the notifications. This is useful if you want to receive the notifications from your phone on your watch. If you don't care, you can tap on don't allow. If you want to use this feature, tap on allow. Next we have the continue button. Allow or deny the permission for the weather. You can skip it or allow it, basically. I'm gonna tap on allow. Next we have the notifications for the incoming calls. So if you want to receive the notifications about the incoming calls on your iPhone, so let's say somebody is calling you on your iPhone, your watch will vibrate. Also, it will display the number or the contact name. So if you want to see those notifications, you will need to tap on allow. If you don't care, you can tap on skip. And then we have the app notifications, so notifications from applications like WhatsApp and stuff like that. So allow it or deny it. Once you see this page, tap on start using, and now your watch should be ready to use. And if you go to mine and tap on Solar Lite, you should see the device page for it, which means that the devices are paired together. And that's how you pair this watch with the iPhone. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.